Good afternoon everyone. As you know that today is the first special assembly of Carpe Diem International School session 2021-2022. Class 8 is going to conduct the special assembly. The topic of the special assembly is Earth Day. Earth Day is celebrated to increase the awareness among everyone regarding clean and hygiene environment. Now the students are going to present their views on the problems that our Earth is facing and will also give a solution to preserve our planet Earth. Now, I would like to call Khushi Tulani to recite a small poem on Earth Day. Let's join hands on Earth Day to make our planet Earth a better place of living. Thank you.
आओ धरती बचाएं। बड़ी बड़ी बातों से नहीं बचेगी धरती, वह बचेगी छोटी छोटी कोशिशों से। हम नहीं फेंके कचरा इधर उधर, स्वच्छ रहेगी धरती। हमने खोदे गड्ढे धरती पर, स्वच्छ रहेगी धरती। Use of plastic products. It cannot be degraded quickly and can also cause damage to the atmosphere when burned. It causes pollution by emitting toxic chemicals in the environment.
Wastage of water, destruction in aquatic environment, lack of agricultural productivity, and scarcity of safe drinking water.
Save electricity. We can save electricity by turning off the lights when we exit a room. We can save electricity by replacing old appliances with energy-saving models also.
Reduce, reuse, recycle. Always adopt 3 R's in your life. 3 R's means reduce means to minimize the amount of waste we create. Reuse refers to using items more than once. Recycle means putting a product to a new use instead of throwing it.